Alright guys, your 19th iPhone development tutorial, and here is what we built so far. This awesome program with buttons, and then if you rotate it left, all the buttons fit in awesomely perfect. So, we put this on the App Store, made millions, and we're having a good time, but we've been getting a lot of complaints that these buttons are just too small. Check it out. We have a lot of empty screen space right here, so we decided, you know what? In order to make this awesome program even awesomer, and yes, awesomer is a word, we decided to enhance the size of these buttons to, kind of take advantage of this empty screen space. So go ahead and quit out of this iPhone simulator and go ahead and hop into Interface Builder, and here is how you change the size of the buttons. Go ahead and click a button, and then for your width and height in your size attribute, go ahead and type in something like 125. And actually, we're going to be changing this for all the buttons, so might as well. Yeah, you actually have to sit through and watch me do all this, so quit complaining. And I wish I had something cool to talk about while I was doing this, but I don't. Go and see Shrek tomorrow with a hot chick, and probably gonna meet her fam. And alright, definitely. Alright, now you're done changing all the widths and height to 125. Go ahead and rearrange them again. Probably gonna need to move these babies up to fit these ones in, and bam, look at this. Check it out. This is just a better program. We have bigger buttons. It's easier. I can finally use my thumb instead of just using my index finger the whole time. And yeah, so let's go ahead, File, Save, and then go ahead and Xcode, build and run, and see what we get. Looking good so far. No bugs. Hardware rotate left. Ah, no, 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 not cool. That's not what we wanted. We want them evenly spaced out. And we're saying, all right, is there even enough room? Well, yeah, if we rotated it the other way, and there's enough room to fit 6 boxes on there, then when you rotate it this way, there should be room enough to fit 6 boxes with without having to overlap. So what we want is to eliminate this overlap right here. So you're saying, all right, so this is another tutorial on changing the view size, auto size, and crap. No. We can't do it like this because it's just too confusing. What we need to do is manually position each and every button on our screen exactly how we want it. Exact pixel location we want it. So to do this, we actually need to do it via code. So let's go ahead and back in our classes, and in our, get rid of you. And in our interface, we didn't even type in anything yet. So really, my mouse battery is low. Hopefully I can get through this tutorial. Alright. Now for our interface, since we want to be changing the location of each button manually, we need an outlet for each button. So go ahead and put UI button and just name it button 1. And yeah, you think I'm going to type that 5 more times? I don't think so. So go ahead and copy this and change it. So 1, 2, 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. Nice little jingle out of that. Alright, so now that we have the 6 button properties, we gotta go ahead and make the property. Did I say that right? No, definitely didn't, but you know what I mean. And non-atomic, and retain that shiz, and go ahead and make IB outlet, and then go UI button, and then go button 1. Why did 2 automatically pop up? I don't know, weird, but go ahead and add a pointer to that. Don't want to forget that, kids. Alright, and do you think I'm typing all this again? No. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I actually do that when I program to myself. Just make little songs. 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Now go ahead and build and run this. See if we didn't mess anything up so far. Alright, looks good. So let's go ahead and cancel out of this. And now go ahead and cancel out of your interface builder. Open it up again because, we don't want that old interface builder. We want a brand new one. So now that we made 6 outlets, we can go ahead and connect them each using the file owner. So let's go ahead, control, this is button 1. This one over here, my friends, this is button 2. And this one down here is button 3. Time me. button 4. Uh, button 5. Uh, and button 6. Bam, stop. What was my time? Alright, so now we got all the outlets connected to each button. And make sure, yep, looks good, looks good, looks good. Alright, so now from here, what we need to do is, actually, you know what? I'm going to be typing some code, but it's probably going to take some time to type, and a lot of the stuff is just redundant. So I'm actually going to do this tutorial a little bit differently to save you guys some time from having to watch me type a bunch of worthless code. I'm going to type it all out for you, and then once I'm done typing it, then I'm going to talk through it. So talk through what everything means. I think that'll be better for this tutorial. So yeah. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be explaining how to reposition the buttons manually on the screen. And, you know, enough of this tutorial. Just close out of it. Just hop right to the next tutorial. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And, yeah, definitely check out the next tutorial.